My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the adware called Music. Music is a special adware type application. You may trace this adware through the task manager of your computer. The trouble is that you cannot find this adware in the control panel of your computer. Of course, you may consider doing that. You may check your available applications, but you will not find this music program on the list. However, when you open the task manager, you may find several processes running simultaneously, and when you actually right-click on some of them, they will lead you to the location of a special executable called Music. So this is the adware that displays intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. If this music adware was mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome browser or into your system in general, you should get rid of it immediately. We recommend you to perform the automatic system checkup and cleanup. We recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and start carefully researching your system. So Combo Cleaner will help you to detect this adware called Music and to remove it effectively. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.